Hi friends. So today I have visited here a property which is a two-bedroom apartment at Parkgate Residences. Now this property is developed by Wassel Group and you can see a nearby metro station. All these towers, all these apartments have been developed and these are all brand new area. It is very next to the World Trade Center. You can see this particular two bedroom apartment have all the checklist which is ideal for you to live in. Spacious living area, well lit apartment, balcony with the open view. You can see this balcony is here, and right in front of the balcony you have this one residences by Wassel, and another building's podium level is coming up over here, which will have the swimming pool. You can see the parking area is good number of floors and the podium area is here with the swimming pool. So in this particular apartment you have one living area, one kitchen, one powder room, two rooms, both the rooms are en suite, one laundry room and one storeroom. So everything is there within the apartment, which will have your ideal check mark for you to live in. You can see the space for the dishwasher, good size space for the refrigerator as well as the cooking range for the 5 burner, all the space for the microwave and balanced toaster and all points are already given. So this was the powder room I was talking about. The total size of the apartment is 1556 square feet, which is very decent size for a two bedroom apartment. You can see this laundry space. So even if you put the shelf, you can make it as an extra storage spaces. And this is the storeroom. Location of this property is very nice, well connected with metro station at the heart of Dubai center, very next to Bur Dubai, and right connected to the Sheikh Zayed Road. Now this is the master bedroom. Let me take you to the balcony of the master bedroom. With the balcony you have the view of the podium level, again for your own building, a swimming pool and the kids play area. You can see the metro station, like I said, it's just the walking distance. So balcony in the living area, balcony in the master bedroom, again which is very ideal. The layout, the design of this apartment, everything is perfect. You can see the colors of these wardrobes, well, nicely done. Wooden color as well as inside is completely white. Spacious wardrobes, very nice size. And both the rooms have the wardrobes built in. Now this is the master bedroom. So washroom is en suite, and in the washroom you have the bathtub as well as the standing shower both. So this was the standing shower I was talking about. Now coming to the second bedroom, like I said, both the rooms are en suite. So in the second bedroom you have the standing shower. The wardrobes are built in. View of the podium as well as the metro. So unrestricted view from all the rooms including the living area. very nice size for 1556 square feet for this two bedroom apartment. I believe you have liked this property visit of mine at Parkgate Residences. Feel free if you have any questions regarding the property. Thanks for watching this video.